Hey everybody, Zach Warren here again in our 2020 Coachman Brookstone 310 RL. We are in our kitchen area dining right now. Right now I have my hands on this beautiful hard surface countertop. This is not a laminated countertop. It is hard cut. We do have these covers here that double as cutting boards. And we have this nice deep dual-sided kitchen sink, stainless steel. Great for washing and rinsing dishes. We also have this drop-down faucet here, great for rinsing glasses or anything like that. I love stainless steel. I think it's easier to clean, gives it a nice classy look. Behind me here, we do have our convection microwave. This is a microwave. It also does convection cooking. So, behind us here, we have our microwave. It's a nice big microwave. When you look in here, you can fit plenty of stuff in here. Great again for eating that popcorn when you're watching your movie over there on your theater seats. Just real nice and big. I'm a fan of big microwaves. I do a lot of microwave cooking myself. We have this nice glass cover that is covering our nice heavy duty 3-burner cooktop here. I mean, just the weight of these is real nice. It's not a chintzy material. Very, very nice, good quality. And then below that, we do have our oven. It does have the nice blue fancy LED lighting right here on these knobs. I think that gives that an exquisite, elegant look. Now, moving over here, we have our Hisense residential refrigerator. This is new to this year that we're getting this residential fridge in here. We open it up, you have plenty of room. I love the modern look. You're getting those clear kind of blue shelving here and here with everything and the chrome. I think it's a very modern look. I also like the fact that you're getting the 2 crisper instead of the single. Freezer, crisper freezer, so that you can put different stuff in here and kind of separate everything. It's a very modern and beautiful looking setup here. I am a really big fan of this fridge. You do have the digital readout and everything. I think it's a very modern look, and I think it's very impressive what Coachman has done here. Now moving over to this corner, we do have our pantry. It is lit. You still get that nice glass inlay on there. You get a total of 4 shelves. One thing I see a lot of people do, and a lot of manufacturers don't do this, but they give you an outlet here. A lot of my customers like to put their Keurig right there and put a basket with all their cups so they can open up that pantry and use it right away. However, if you're not a fan of that and you have other use for that pantry, we do have this nice little ledge here with 2 USB ports and 2 plugins. This is your ceiling fan switch. If you look right back there, there is a ceiling fan in here. Next to that, you will see your air conditioner. There are 2 air conditioners in here. Then again, we have the nice hardware here, and we have our interior leveling. I showed you the out leveling. You can do it in here too. Same thing. You can do the leveling from right in here, push button, along with hitch memory. Our last stop on our tour of the kitchen dining area is our dining table. We do have 4 chairs. They secure down. A lot of manufacturers are giving you 2 chairs with 2 folding chairs. Coachman's giving you 4 regular ones with storage in the seats. This table does leaf, and there's storage inside the table if you need it. Just a really, really nice setup here. Coachman really does think of everything. And the last thing I like to kind of show you is the valances right around the windows. Beautiful design, very, very modern. It's a very modern looking coach. In our next video, we're going to be heading towards the master bedroom, master bath area. I invite you to join me as we head towards the front of the coach.